Hello and welcome to the Rayants kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to cook Rayants spicy squid 3 different ways. These squid are Asian caught. We marinate them in pepper and paprika, chilies, garlic, and onion. But the real beauty of this product is how easy we've made for you to cook it. You simply open the box, which has tamper-proof seals on each end. Remove the inner package and choose your cooking method. You can use the microwave, you can use the oven, or you can use the stovetop. Today we'll use my griddle. Now let's get cooking. First, with the microwave. Simply remove the inner package and place it into the microwave. Then put your power level onto high and set your time for 1 minute. After 1 minute, remove the package by the edges because the inside's going to be hot. Turn it over and place it back into the microwave. Again, cook for 1 additional minute. Then remove and check the internal temperature. We're looking for 74 degrees Celsius, which is 165 degrees Fahrenheit. If you've hit that, then just let the product rest for a couple of minutes. There's a little notch on each end of the package. Simply rip it open and remove your squid to your plate. It's just that easy. Now, the second way is in the oven. Preheat your oven to 200 degrees, which is 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Place your rack on the middle level and take the inner package from the box and place it on the inside. Cook for 10 minutes. At the end of 10 minutes, open the oven and just like we did with the microwave, remove the package, taking care not to touch the squid because it's going to be hot. Turn it over and place it right back into the oven. Again, cook for an additional 10 minutes. When that time has elapsed, then remove from the oven, check the internal temperature. You're looking for 74 degrees Celsius, which is 165 degrees Fahrenheit, and plate just like we did before. And enjoy. Now the third way is on the stovetop. Set your heat level on high and then back it off to medium high. Lightly film with vegetable oil. Open just like we did before and remove the raw squid. Place it onto the hot oil. Our total cooking time on each side is only 1 to 2 minutes. As soon as you see it become translucent on the edges, flip it one more time. Kill your heat, check your internal temperature, and plate. Thank you very much for coming to our kitchen today. Like us on Facebook, you can see us on Instagram, and you can definitely subscribe to our channel so that you can see videos on all of the rest of these products. Have a great day.